Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What I'm up to is, so in town tomorrow is the just the local little car show there. So anyways, it got me thinking, my little trailer here that I've made, I haven't even had a chance to try this thing out. So I think we're gonna finish up a couple little things on this little trailer. I have to finish the wiring for the plug on the truck, and I have a little air leak, and I think that's about it. Just the wiring and the air leak. But yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna get this baby tuned up. Just a couple things here, and then we're gonna go ahead and get it hooked up, clean that truck up and stuff, and probably take it to that car show. So if you guys seen earlier videos, here's my little air ride trailer to haul my motorcycles and whatever. So like I said, I didn't finish. I got to tidy up this a little bit. I got to put the wiring with a plug. I have an air leak on that hose. I have to make that a little nicer. And I got to finish up the wiring back here, just make it look good. And we'll get this baby hooked up. Okay, so I got it up in the air. You can see it there. Worked pretty good. So what I got to do, show you guys around the front here. I just got my yucky old hose here. I got to tidy that up. I got to wire in my plug for this, and then I have to go back here and just wire in. I got them tied up here. I just got to wire in the taillights, and then we're cooking, and should work good. I don't know. I hope so. It'll be the maiden voyage for it. So we'll see. Anyways, I'll go ahead and get some, a plug and get some wiring done here and stuff, and get this on the road. Okay, so what I got here is this little Deutz connector. These little fellas. I'll show you how I go ahead and do that. Got these pliers. I already popped open my trailer. Sorry, I was trying to do a bunch of stuff there, but I already went and checked on my truck to, I think I know which one is which. But I mean, that only matters when I plug them into that plug. For right now, I'm just going to go ahead and crimp these little bad boys on. Trying to get every wire in there if I can. Perfect. Then you just take these pliers and give them the squish, and that's one. Do the other two, and then you just plug them into that plug, and there it's a weather tight seal and stuff, should be good. And then I'll plug them in the right orientation. Then I'll tidy this up, and even if I got the little schematic wrong, it's super easy. Just pop these out and move them. So I don't have a ton of options, so it shouldn't be a big deal. Okay, got that done. I'll go get the plug, put it on, and yeah, and then I think I'll go ahead and hook up the back, the tail lights and stuff. Okay, so I went ahead and put some pipe dope on my little hose on the fittings and stuff. So hopefully that doesn't leak anymore. I threw just some old wire loom on it just to make it look okay. And I did this one as well. Hopefully my plug is right. We'll know once we plug it into the truck. Should be, like I said, no big deal to change that anyways. The other thing I might do before tomorrow too is one of the viewers commented that I should probably paint this little hitch portion. And yeah, and they're 100% right. It would look a little better if it kind of matched the trailer better. So I'll see if I can do that before we head out tomorrow too. And anyways, so let's move on to the back. Let's get this lifted up, move in the back, and wire up these taillights. Okay, let me show you guys here. I got the wiring. Side's probably easier to see, but yeah, so you can see I got the wiring kind of tidied up there to the light. It does go through the frame there, so both sides. I like it. It's pretty tidy. I don't love that plastic loom. You know, I think they got fiber stuff and whatnot, but this is cheap and it seems to work just fine, and it looks better than just bare wires. It looks better than a lot of things. So so now I think I'm just going to lower this down, back the old Chevy in here, and see if plug in the taillights, see if they work, see if got the right functions in the right direction. So let's get that baby in here. Okay, I went ahead and got the truck backed in here. I got the plug plugged in. Let's go turn on something, see if we got the sequence correct. Okay, that should just be the tail lights. Sun's kind of shining, but you can see the other ones on. Yeah, they look a little dim. I'm gonna check them bulbs, but they're definitely on. They just look a little dim. Yeah. Okay, let's try a signal. Let's see here. That's the left signal. You see that baby's blinking. Oh, we got that one right. Keep blinking. See him blinking over there. Okay, well, we did it. I think we got this. I am going to pull this lens off and just check those bulbs. Maybe I can put a little nicer bulb in there or something that's a little brighter for the running lights. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm going to paint that. I think I'm going to paint that hitch quick too. And then we're in business. And then I think it's showtime. I will clean up the truck and we'll be ready to rock tomorrow. So I'll show you guys this hitch after I paint it up. And then other than that, we'll be at the car show. All right, everyone, just let me take a quick look at what I did here. Just quick and easy. I went ahead and, this bolt 2x4, but I went ahead and sprayed it, just a couple little colors, rubbed it a little bit, kind of make it look a little old. Just gonna let that dry, and then I'll throw some clear coat on it, and that'll just kind of give it a little brightness or something, whatever kind of matches trailer, hopefully. But we'll see. Looks better than that bright, shiny silver anyway. So, but yeah, other than that, I think clean this truck. I won't bother you guys with that. I just got to wash it and stuff and clean it up a little bit. But other than that, we're ready for the car show. So. All right, everyone. This morning, we're heading off to the car show now. Got this little Chevy all washed up. Got my trailer hooked up. Just show you a quick look here. Yeah, there we go. We got her all connected, ready to rock. Oh, and the other thing I was going to mention too is the tail lights. When I first remember, I said they were dim. They seemed a little dim. What it was I didn't have the truck hooked up, the hitch wise, so I didn't really have a good ground or anything. So hooked it up and it's working great now. So anyways, we're gonna pin it off to the show here. All right, we got ourselves a little ice cream. Little ice cream action. We'll wander on. All right, everyone, car show's over. Made it back home. First, like I said, first time towing a trailer. I really liked it. I think it worked pretty good. It towed nice down the highway. I did even, I kind of even did about 70 miles an hour. It seemed to tow straight. Works good. I do have still something, a little air leak somewhere I got to find. I don't know if it's by an airbag or something, but it does. I do have to keep paying attention, keep it pumped up a little bit. But got a tiny air leak, and and I think I'm going to go ahead and put something, a chalk or something to put my front tire of the bike in, or something that's removable, temporary. Just, it seems good, but it's just a little nerve-wracking when you see the handlebars and stuff wiggle a bit and stuff, and I think that'll hold it straight. But anyways, very happy with it. I think I don't know how much I'll use it, but I'll definitely use it a little bit and have some fun with it. But that's all I got for this video, so please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.